A leadership consultant used to panic and freeze every time someone asked her, "So what do you do?" Today, I want to show you how she solved that with just 9 words. She starts here.
In interactions and meetings and referrals, it's that dreaded, "So what do you do?" "I own a consulting firm." "Okay, so like what's the," and I'm like, I don't have that confidence. And I feel like I've been stuck there for years.
She ends here.
"Oh, what do you do?" Now I can say, "I'm going to help you use video to communicate better." And then the
Right?
conversation continues.
My name is Alze Calhoun. My company's name is Coveted Consultant, and this is the process Nicole Girouard followed. If you want to fast track your own results, there's a complete workshop and software tool I've made for you. There's a link in the description. If you're a fractional executive or executive coach, the language, frameworks, and methods that come very natural to you can go right over a client's head. I think you'll find that your message resonates faster and louder when you stop trying to explain your products and instead start talking to people.
It's great to use titles that we feel are impressive, but it's different when you're speaking about what you actually do that's past the title.
The other person has to be specifically sure you're talking to them. What I'm about to share with you comes from my 10 boxes framework. It's a system that helps consultants build sustainable businesses that protect their time and energy. This is box number 2 that focuses on the avatar, which is a precise profile of the ideal client that transforms how you communicate. Nicole Girouard is a past client with an expertise in leadership and communications. She already understood the concept of having an avatar. Selecting one for her business was the challenge.
The minute the module opened up and it was like, pick your avatar, like do your offering. And I'm like, I had this internal like panic because I didn't know how to deal.
The shift became when she realized that we weren't just developing a profile of someone we wanted to sell to. Instead, we were identifying a person who would already be interested in the kinds of problems she solves. And then finally, for her, it clicked.
Every entrepreneur ever has seen every program and webinar ever about finding your avatar. That's not new. What's new is fundamentally understanding the reason why you need one. Wasting time trying to convince people of what they need as opposed to going to the people that already know they want it.
That's
so
right.
that got very clear for me, and it clicked.
Good. There's a person who buys what you sell. Who is that person? What is that person struggling with? What kind of conversation would this person like to have? The idea is to develop messaging that tells the other person you are talking specifically to them. And here's the specific exercise that broke through Nicole's years of confusion.
There was an exercise you asked us to do to reflect on the kind of clients you were attracting and the work that you did for them. Made me realize with my 2 decades of corporate background, all of my clients were actually coming to me for my expertise in video communication, presentation, how to speak, and how to leverage the text. It just helped me zero in on why I do what I do, and I know who I'm looking for. I'm looking for the people that get it.
And who should you focus on? 2 questions to ask yourself right now if you're trying to refine your avatar. Question number 1, what client has paid you the most money ever? They put a check in your hand or the payment cleared in your bank account, and that's the biggest number you've ever seen in your life. For that person, what did they buy? What problem were they trying to solve? Question number 2, what client of yours has stayed the longest? What recurring need do they have of you? Why do they stay so long? What problem are they trying to solve? These questions push past trying to find fancy words to describe your services, and they enter you into trying to identify the person that buys what you sell and why they value it so much. That's who you're looking for, and that's what your avatar should look like. I want this process to be easy and accessible for you. Here's what the output looks like. First thing you'll notice here on the avatar document is the face of a person. This person has a name, title, company, education, and hometown. You know what problem they're being faced with, the pain that drives their urgency, and the alternatives they are considering to solve their problem. The next page gives you behavior patterns, what makes them a good client for you, and what would give them urgency to solve this problem now. Specifically, you need communication for every particular situation, whether it's social media, on your website, content creation, email communication, networking introductions, professional introductions, speaking or podcast, sales meetings, or if you've received a recommendation. The point here is, if you know who your avatar is, you should be able to identify them and resonate with them no matter the moment. There's even some customizing you can do here to decide exactly how you want to be positioned in the eyes of your avatar. Specifically, which outcome do you feel most comfortable promising to your avatar of choice? This document represents your positioning and core messaging. It offers precision around who your person is, what they want solved, and the words and phrases you should be using to initiate great conversation. Are you excited? Great. Here's how you get access to it. There's a workshop I've already built that breaks down all the philosophy, training, and strategy behind what makes this avatar document so powerful. There's a companion worksheet that helps you spell out all your thoughts to make sure that they are clean and elegant. Take the inputs from this worksheet and you complete the form at the bottom of this page. Company name, business owner email. Provide some information about your business. Provide some information about your unique point of view in the marketplace. Press submit, check your email, and receive your own customized avatar document with done-for-you positioning and messaging. The avatar process is box 2 of my comprehensive 10 boxes framework. If you want access to the avatar tools and process, there's a link in the description. My name is Alzay Calhoun, and I thank you for your time today.
Unless I'm saying the right things, no one knows who I'm talking to. Because people don't care about your title, which also hurts our feelings. I don't care about your title. What can you do to help me?
That's
That's
right.
where you have to go.